Welcome back. If you're looking for a smarter way to organize your work and stay on top of tasks, let's talk about Asana. Asana is a project management app designed to help teams and individuals stay organized. Think of it as your digital workspace where you can create projects, break them into tasks, set deadlines, and assign them to team members, all in one place. When you open Asana, you can create a project and add tasks under it. Each task can include details like descriptions, due dates, attachments, and comments. You can view your work in different formats: list view for simple task tracking, board view for a Kanban-style workflow, or calendar view to see deadlines at a glance. People use Asana because it helps reduce email overload, improves collaboration, and keeps everyone accountable. Whether you're managing a small personal project or leading a large team, Asana makes it easier to track progress and actually get things done. So if you want to stay productive and organized, Asana is definitely worth a try. Thanks for watching.